Let's begin this hour with the technical side of the markets. In a year that has been dominated by big tech, which part of the AI trade can keep working and which part might be ready to break down? Your next guest is a market veteran technician whose insights help traders separate noise from meaningful signals. He's also just a great guy. And he joins us now on New Year's Eve, live from Minnesota. Craig Johnson of Piper Jaffray. Craig, we're really happy to have you on the program. We know, listen, it's an interesting day. Thanks for joining us. You have made so many great calls in your time. Great to have you on the program. What is the technical setup for the macro market as you see it next year?
Hey, Brian, it feels like we're making the last call on the last day of the year here today. And it's kind of a fun way to end the year. What our viewpoint is for 2026 coming up is we're not looking for a lot of upside, Brian. As we look at 2026, we only see about 5% upside. We're looking for 7150 on the S&P 500. And as we think about the progression of what 2026 is going to look like, it's probably going to be strong. We're probably going to have a weak second and maybe third quarter and then sort of finish on a high note. And from my perspective, I'd call that a jump, a slump, and probably a pump after you get through the midterm elections. And from my perspective, it's going to be an okay year, but I'm only looking for about 5% upside for next year, Brian.
Okay, let's get to a jump, a pump, and a slump. It's one of the reasons we love you, Craig, among many, because you're just going to lay it out there. It's something to remember, a little bit catchy. So what would be then the pump if you're only seeing a 5% gain for all of next year? It sounds like the first half, kind of to your point, may be a dump.
Oh, that's good, Brian. But you know what I think is ultimately going to be for the first part of the year is a continuation of this AI trade we've been talking about, but a little bit of a shift in focus. Perhaps not quite as much about the NVIDIAs of the world, some of the chips, but more about the interconnects that are going to take place. We're going to need more optical companies, Brian, to actually connect these data centers together, make AI, all these agents and everything else that people are going to use to really have faster connectivity to make it work. So I've been sort of turning my focus to a lot of these optical companies, companies like Ciena, companies like Coherent, and companies like Corning. I look at a company like, Corning in here, Brian, and it's like, if we go back, we're probably going to go retest the 2000 highs on that stock. And if we do, we've got a nice 20+% upside. And if we look at Ciena, Brian, I could see another 20-30% upside, even though it was up a lot here in 2025.
Wow. And because these are not beaten up stocks that have had rough years and you see a turn. To your point, these stocks have been noticed by investors. Corning has done well. Their glass, their fiber optics that go into all those cables you talk about. Ciena, kind of the same thing. Coherent, a little bit on that side. These are names that have already been hot. It sounds like you just like the charts, I guess, on these names.
Well, we like the charts, but there's also that connection theme that's going to play out with this as we think about the data centers, we think about AI to really make that next level of AI work. And that's where the first part of what we're talking about, where you get this sort of kind of quick jump up in the market, is what we're ultimately thinking here in the first quarter, playing some of these names. And then the slump side of this comes into play as people start focusing on politics in Washington, and you start thinking about midterm election and those kind of items. Going to be a lot of noise in 2026, and you probably don't see that noise quiet down until that midterm election is done. And that's where at the end of the year, Brian, clearing some of that noise, things got reset. You get that sort of pump at the end of the year is what you ultimately get.
Is that